Today we are making rainbow striped Easter eggs in an obnoxiously easy way. So first we're gonna prep our eggs, and I made this little egg stand. It's basically just an egg carton. And now we're going to add 1 piece of tape per egg. So I'm using, whoa. And the easiest way I found to do this is we are going to make a loop with the electrical tape. And you wanna keep the sticky side on the inside of the loop. So it's like this. We're gonna take the pointy side of the egg, stick that on top, just like that. And then just like press down. It creates a little spot. That's the only part we are taping. That's it. If you have a circle sticker, you can try that too. And pray for me while I do the other 11. Now it is time to dye the eggs. So before we add the water to our 3 cups, because we only need 3 colors for the rainbow, we are going to take a teaspoon of white vinegar and add that in. And off the top of my head, I don't even know why we need this, but everyone uses it when you're decorating eggs, so I'll have it on the screen. Google is really good. And now I'm gonna pour 1 cup of water into each cup. I'm checking the jug because I have 3 cups in here and I don't want to like go over. I shattered one of these last year and it shattered into like 1,000,000 pieces. You would not have known it was a mug. It was insane. I'm gonna add a couple of drops of red. We want it to be very pigmented because we just want to be able to like dip it in and have the color stick instead of like having to let it soak, and you will see why. I made a chart and I'm like staring at it. Okay, so we are going to take an egg by its little handle. Please work. I'm gonna like cry if it doesn't work. And we are going to dip it halfway into the red. So only halfway. And then I'm gonna dab it on a paper towel just a little bit so that it's not dripping. And then I'm putting it back in its little home. And then we're gonna do that with all the others. So we're doing all of them at the same stage. Now when we dip it in the blue, you only wanna dip it 1/3 of the way up the red portion. This is as much math as we're doing today. Do not worry. And there we go. I am so proud. Look at that. The remaining red strip is going to be divided in half. So just keep that in mind. Once you get really good at this, you can like maybe be better at creating all equal size lines, but if you can at the beginning, that's okay. Cause like, I know it's not happening for me, so it's fine. It's organic, okay? We're gonna be like all organic while using artificial food coloring. So now that the purple is fully dry, and you wanna make sure that it's really, really dry because we're gonna be handling it, we are going to do the yellow, and we're going to do the other side of the eggs. So before you do that, you wanna make sure that when you flip your eggs upside down, the tape part will sit in there, because like you don't wanna do what we're gonna do and then have them like not be able to sit up and dry. So make sure you do that. So now we're gonna take the egg, and it's gonna be hard to hold, okay? But you can do this. Oh my God. So yay, tape is coming in. Yeah, so we're dipping it halfway up the red. Oh my God, I'm so scared. And then we're just gonna hold it for a couple seconds because like yellow is significantly less pigmented than red. And there we go. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna put it on our little stand. And if at this point you're like, oh my God, there's no way I can do this, don't worry, because I will link the significantly less fussy version up here and in the comments. There we go, you guys. It worked, look at that. Thank God. This recipe was either gonna work or I was gonna cry. I'm gonna do the rest and I will see you in a second. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is remove the tape on the yellow side, and we are going to dip the egg into the blue coloring, but we are going to leave some space for the yellow. Look at these. So I have let them dry. They don't take too long to dry. And you know who loves hard-boiled eggs? Paddington. Anyways, I love you all so much for watching. I'll see you on Saturday for a new video. Bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.